Hey everyone, welcome back to MNMM PTE NAATI. This is Manmohit. Now in today's video, we are going to do another of the fill in the blanks reading question together. First, I would give you some time to just pause the video and try to solve this question by yourself and put them down in the comment section below as to how many correct answers did you guys get. And then afterwards, we will go through this question together just to see what the correct answers are, and obviously going through the explanations as to why did we choose this answer and why did we eliminate that option. That is very important to understand, because if you end up getting the same question in the exam, you will not repeat the same mistakes. Plus, you can take away a few key things out of this video, like some grammar rules, some logic, some collocations and whatnot. Now, just before we proceed, if you need any sort of help or support with your PTE or NAATI exam, could be Hindi, Punjabi or Gujarati, you can get in touch with us on Instagram or Facebook. The links are there in the description, or just search for MNMM PTE NAATI and you can find us over there, and we can have a chat as to how we can help you in order to clear these exams. Let's begin. So that's the fill in the blanks reading question. As you can see, there's 4 blanks and then there are 7 different options. I first want you to pause this video now, have this question in front of you and try to solve it by yourself. Take 2 minutes, have set a timer aside, and then in the comments down below, do leave as to how many correct answers did you get. You could have gotten 4 out of 4, 3 out of 4, could be any number, that's perfectly fine. I just want to see how we are progressing over time. So pause this video now and then I'll be back with you to go over this one. So I hope you would have done this one by now. So let's start with the very first one. It says, though infants usually start eating solid foods between 4 and 6 months of age, more and more solid foods are dash by a growing toddler. So here I am going to use one of my grammar rule, which is there's a blank before the word by, and we can use another grammar rule, which is after the word are there is a blank. So first rule is, if I have got the word by, which is a preposition, and if I have got a blank before the word by, it is always going to be a verb in the past tense or in the second form. Now it says, now out of my options, so we're looking for a verb. First of all, we're looking for an action word, plus we're also looking for a verb in the past tense. So we have got appointed, that could be my answer. Potential can't be, essential can't be, synthetic can't be, picky can't be, replaced can be, and consumed can be. Why? Because all these 3 are action words, plus they have got ed at the back, so that means they are in the past tense. So now it has made my job a lot easier, because now I need to pick my correct answer. So 1 correct answer out of 3 options rather than 1 correct answer out of 7 options. So let's read out the sentence again. More and more solid foods are dashed by a growing toddler. So they're talking about foods, and then they're talking about a toddler, a child, a baby. So something about food. Can we appoint food? No, we cannot. Can we replace food? If we say more and more solid foods are replaced by a growing toddler, so we can't replace food by a toddler, right? Are consumed. Consumed means eating, eaten. So consumed has to be my correct answer. All right. So in the exam, since you would be doing this question, you would, once you choose one option, that would be gone. So that means you cannot use that option again. So that means consumed is gone. So we can't use that again. So I'm just gonna get rid of it. Next sentence, it says, pediatricians recommended introducing foods one at a time and for a few days in order to identify any dash food allergies. So I have got a blank and then I've got the word food allergies. All right. So the word food over here is a noun. Okay. It's just a common noun. And then there is a blank before the word food. So we are looking for a type of food allergies, something about food allergies. Because there is a blank before the word food, I am looking for an adjective. So out of all the given options, appointed, it's a verb, so can't be my answer. Potential, it's ending with al, can be my answer. Essential can also be my answer. Because it's ending with al, most of the cases that word has been changed from a noun to an adjective. So that means yes, that could be my answer. Synthetic could be my answer. Yes, picky could be the answer. Replace can't be the answer. So let's read out the sentence again. In order to identify any dash food allergies, in order to identify any potential food allergies, yes, sounds good. In order to identify any essential food allergies, that absolutely can't be. Essential means important, and food allergies can't be important. That's a negative statement. Then synthetic food allergies, no. Synthetic means fake. Fake food allergies doesn't make any sense. And picky food allergies, no, because food allergy is a non-living thing, so it can't be picky. So my answer has to be potential. Potential means that can happen. Potential food allergies. So again, what I'll do is I'll get rid of my word potential because that has been used. Afterwards, my next blank is toddlers may be dash at times. So now we are looking for something about toddlers over here. They can be something at time. Now, I can start looking for my answers right away, or I can just read out the remaining sentence just to get a bit more idea or a bit more context around the same. But, now the moment they use the word but, means something opposite is going to be said. It says it remains important to introduce a variety of foods and offer food with dash vitamins and nutrients. So toddlers may be dash at times. Toddlers may be appointed at times. No, we can't appoint toddlers. Toddlers may be essential at times. Like that's saying like human beings can be important at times. Now that doesn't sound logical. Toddlers may be synthetic at times. Again, toddlers may be fake at times. Doesn't make any sense. Toddlers may be picky at times. Yes, picky means they may be just, they can be picky, like they would prefer eating something at one stage and something on the other stage, like they are just not happy with everything whatever we provide them, so they can be picky at times. And toddlers may be replaced at times. Again, now that doesn't sound logical, so my correct answer has to be picky. Because we're talking about food, so it does make sense that toddlers may be picky at times. But it remains important to introduce a variety of foods and offer food with dash vitamins and nutrients. So again, we're looking for something, a type of vitamins and nutrients. So because vitamins and nutrients, or if I just talk about the word vitamins, it's a noun and there's a blank before that, so we're looking for again an adjective. Adjective always comes before noun. Offer food with dash vitamins. Offer food with appointed vitamins, can't be the answer. Offer food with essential vitamins and nutrients, yes, it can be. Essential means important. Offer food with synthetic vitamins and nutrients, no, that sounds very negative. Like we can't give fake vitamins and nutrients to our toddlers. Picky is already been used. Offer food with replaced vitamins and nutrients, again, it does not sound logical. So only option that is an adjective plus it is also logical at the same time is going to be essential. All right, so these would be the correct answers plus a bit of explanation as to what options I chose plus how did I chose them. So do understand these grammar rules, because as you could see that when I use these grammar rules, it made my job a lot easier, because I could eliminate certain options and then I was only left with few options, and it became a lot easier for me to pick one correct answer out of few options, because then I will have less chance of making mistakes. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any sort of questions or anything, do leave them down in the comment section below. And if you need any one-on-one or support from us or any sort of coaching or consultations with us about PTE or NAATI, again, you can get in touch with us on Instagram or Facebook. For NAATI, we do have Hindi, Punjabi and Gujarati, so all these 3 languages. Prediction files, dialogues, vocabulary, every single thing would be included, so you can get in touch with us and we can discuss about the same. All the best if you have got your exams coming soon. Stay safe wherever you are, and I'll see you all in the next one.